Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Market Mood Multicurrency Indicator for MT4. Okay, so we're going to head over to the MQL5 Marketplace. The indicator is currently for sale at 30 US dollars on the MQL5 Marketplace, right? But we're going to try the free demo, which is available to test using our strategy tester on MT4. So in a moment, we're gonna have the indicator added to our navigator, and after that, we're just gonna test it real quick. We want to know how this indicator actually works. At least you need to know that before you make any financial commitment if you're gonna do that. Okay, click on test, and then we click on start. So within a few seconds, we should have some visual. All right. Okay, so it's loading already. And here we go. Okay, I was actually expecting, yeah, okay. So this is how the indicator looks like, all right? It's a multi-currency oscillator, okay? It's a multi-currency oscillator, and it's colored, right? You can see it changes color between red and blue, all right? Depending on the prevailing momentum at the time. So you will notice that when the momentum is bearish, the color of the indicator line will be red. And when the momentum is bullish, the color will be blue, right? So whether it's a pullback or an impulsive move, the color responds to the prevailing momentum at the time. So I'm going to recommend using this indicator in a trending market. So if your trend is bearish, I will recommend taking only sell trades, right? So you look out for the red colors, right? Only in a bearish trend, okay? So when you have a signal, you get confirmation from your candlestick patterns or maybe other indicators, and then you can proceed to enter your sell trade, right? That's for a bearish trend. You look out for the color of the line changing to red. But if it's a bullish trend, you can look out for the color of the line changing to blue, okay? But make sure you always get confirmations before executing your trade, all right? And if you want more information about this indicator, because it is actually going for sale, so you should actually get as many information as you can, as much information as you can. You can come to the MQL5 Marketplace, and you can dig out whatever it is that you can find from here, and if need be, maybe contact um, the owner of the indicator, or is it the developer, right? So before you proceed to buy the indicator, if you are going to do that, just make sure you are comfortable with the indicator so that you don't have any regrets. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. We have basically looked at briefly what this indicator does. If you have any if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.